Hi everybody, Broken Ebeez here and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'd love to welcome all existing followers and subscribers and also welcome all people brand new to the channel. On this channel you will find me using CachyOS Linux as my daily heavily used operating system, having migrated away from Windows 11 full time. Now is the perfect time for you as a Windows 10 user to make the leap and dump your Windows 10 and come over to CachyOS Linux. For once it's installed, it's a very Windows-esque experience. Whether you just want to browse the web, watch YouTube videos, do a bit of internet banking, internet shopping, or whether you want to do gaming, CachyOS has got you covered, and it's far more secure than any Windows operating system ever will be. Also, you won't have to be bogged down suffering all the shenanigans that Microsoft Windows throws at its users. CachyOS Linux is a rolling release distro, which means you install it once, use forever. It's as simple as that. Very simple and easy to use. And once a month you'll find me hosting live chat streams on YouTube, which is aimed squarely at helping all potential or new users make the transition from Windows to CachyOS. And with Microsoft Windows 10 being end of life as of the date of this welcome video, now is the perfect time for you to revive your Windows 10 PC and give it an absolute treat. CachyOS Linux, like this YouTube, is 100% free, always has been, always will be, and it's maintained by its own unique set of developers. Like I say, you install once, use forever, unlike the Microsoft Windows model. Now on my YouTube you'll find various live streams and videos of games that I love to play on Windows and have successfully installed onto CachyOS, and it's an almost indistinguishable experience from Windows in that I double click a game icon, the game runs, I can record it and upload it to YouTube. Simples. It's really easy. Now I suffered a stroke in 2023, so I've had to learn to talk and swallow and cough and laugh again. So I've had to change my plans that I had originally for this YouTube. However, I would like to welcome all new potential subscribers to the channel and sincerely thank all the long-suffering supporters who have followed me over the last 20 years that have been on YouTube under various different names for their kind support, their love and their understanding. If you have any questions, please post them underneath this video and I'll do my best to answer them honestly. Also, the bottom playlist on the front of the YouTube page is a classic movies playlist, which is designed to allow you to enjoy some content when you don't want to game or watch Linux or watch computer content. You can just relax, chill out and enjoy a movie or a box set or whatever floats your boat. Thanks for watching. Here's to a fantastic 2026, and I hope millions of you dump Microsoft Windows 10 and make the transition to CachyOS Linux, because for the majority of you, you'll never ever look back. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thumb the videos up if you love them, down if you hate them, and I will see you for another wicked Broken Ebeez video.